Nocturnal tornadoes, as the name suggests, are tornadoes that happen overnight. They're also the most deadly tornadoes as they happen when we are at our most vulnerable. On December 26, 2015, a huge tornado outbreak took place across several places in North and Central Texas. A total of 13 people were killed as a result of their injuries associated with the tornadoes, and so many more were injured. More than half of these individuals were actually killed on the interstate as they were in their cars.
You can't see the whole circuit.
Yeah.
So maybe slow down a second.
Yep.
It's probably north of the highway-ish now.
I can still see it. It's still there. Yeah, it's right there. Right? I can see it.
Yeah, that's it. That's a monster.
It's big. Oh, it's very big. Oh, it's massive.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's big.
He's saying he can see it. I can see it. It's huge. I didn't see it until it was illuminated. Only then was I able to see it.
There it goes.
Are you getting it?
Yep.
Oh, the sound of it. There it is. It went over the lake. Yeah, I'm closing it. Oh.
Are you going to close this one?
Yes. Hold on a second.
Funny that I would say it right then.
It's big.
It is.
Again.
It's getting big, 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 big. Nice little cone in there.
Oh, multi-vortex.
Actually, a big cone, not a little cone.
You getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
I really want to point out the creepiest part of this video for me is when they're driving in front of the darkened farmhouses and you can just see the tornado behind the houses. It's just this destructive monster looming. It's creepy.
I'm zoomed in on it and I'm multi-vortex! 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 Keep going, keep going! Oh my, dust swirl! Dust swirl. I got it on video, I'm recording! I'm recording.
Oh, look at it!
Cole, get close to it, baby. Alright, that's fine, you're good. Cole, you're doing amazing. I got it. Yes, I got it. Cole, I'm recording the whole time. Oh, two of them! Two of them! Stovepipes! Twin! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, oh my god! Oh my gosh! Twins! There's twins! They're twins! Yes! I think we're going the whole time! I'm zoomed in on them! Yeah, I know. I've got from top to bottom and then I've got slack on it too. I cannot believe this! You are kidding me!